everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a standing fox. It's got some inverted folds and some folds in weird places, but it's still really cute and fun to make, so let's get started. Step 1 is to take a perfectly square sheet, fold it down the center nice and sharp, and release. Step 2 is to take the sides, bring them to the center, and crease nice and hard. Step 3 is to take these corners, bring them into the center line, and crease really hard. Step 4 is to invert step 3, so we unfold, bring down, hold, bring up, making sure that we don't get too out of sorts and popped out. Gently lay into that, and pull down, press nice and hard, and repeat on the other side. Settle that in. Oop. And there we go. Step 5 is to flip over and then take these edges and bring them to the center line, keeping a close eye on how that point is going, and then flip over. Step 6, we're going to take these and fold them out, which can get a little weird because we already have a sharp fold in here. So you can gently open that up a little in the back as you open here, just to get it kind of loose. Then holding it with a finger back there, gently pop that open. Don't force it too hard. If it doesn't want to go, work it through gently, making sure that edge meets edge and everything can lie flat before committing to a crease. Step 7, we need to crease following these lines, so we take this edge to meet this edge, making sure that it folds right along here. Press all the way through, release, and then do the same on the other side, and release. Step 8, we're going to pick this up and flip it over, and then fold along this center line in such a way that we push this out and down, and it's going to look like our fox is looking in a direction with its ears pointed back. Step 9, we are going to release step 8 and pop these up nice and gentle before folding along that center line again. So basically redoing step 8, but with the ears pointed up. This way we're going to get the face, but the ears in the right direction. It'll help a bit if you pinch around the base here. It'll keep the shape while keeping them in the right direction. Step 10 is a little bit of a weird one because you gotta find where exactly you want to have the line at which your fox will stand, and so this is proper up. I want to say about here. So you take the bottom, flip it up, pinch nice and hard, and release. The secret optional step 12 is if you don't like having the tail to one side, you can just pop the back open and tuck it real gentle, give that a pinch, and you can only really tell if you're checking out the top. There you go.